kettlebell jerk. It is a sport in Russia. They also do it here in the US. It is a more of a conditioning exercise. People turn it into a push press and turn it into a shoulder exercise, which it's not. It is more of a lower body exercise, conditioning exercise. You do it for high reps, and it's not really a strength exercise. You want to get it to where the bell is just floating and you're not pressing it. So I'll demonstrate the exercise first. Get into a clean position. With women, it's going to be slightly different. For men, you're going to have it inside of your center line this way. When you have two bells, it makes it much easier to hold on to the bells. For women, for obvious reasons, you have to put on the outside, more on your hip. So it's a jerk and a catch. So I'll demonstrate the exercise first, and I'll break it down. The jerk is literally a jump. You're going to push the bell off of your body and then catch it at a low spot right here. So it's a jump. You're going to jerk it off your body and then catch it here. A lot of people, like I said, they turn it into a push press where they only use a single knee bend. You want to get two knee dips. So you're going to bounce it off your body here, bounce it, and then catch it. Your arm should be already locked out by the time you catch it. Then you finish off the movement, push through with your hips. Perfect this exercise. You really want to get this exercise down. It's great for conditioning. You can do it for up to 10 minutes, however long. Start out with 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, so on. Start with the other side. Clean. Bounce it off of you. First knee bend. And then catch it. And then lock it out. The first one, I kind of say it's like a limbo. You don't want to limbo too much. I'll turn to the side. Slight limbo. You're going to bounce it off your body and then catch it. Here. Catch it and then stand up with it. The catch is a controlled drop. You want to drop it and do a little knee bend. Now, one kettlebell is never evil enough, so we add two. It's the same way, except the positioning of the clean is going to be a little different, especially for men. You're going to bring your arms in, so where your forearms almost touch. If they can't touch, that's good flexibility. So you're going to try to wrap your hands over the top of each other this way. Limbo out, slight limbo, more of a knee bend here. Jerk it off your body and then up. So the arms are together, and you're going to try to rub them together all the way up until they're fixed and locked out above your head. Lockout position, once again, just like the snatch, is up and behind your head. You don't want to go into a Y this way. You want to be straight up and locked out, elbows locked out, and not in front of your head, always behind. So start with a clean, jerk, catch. Here's the rack for the men. You can overlap the bells, overlap your hands. For women, you can be on the outside like this, into your hips. You want the bells always to be over your hips this way, so you're going to actually push your hips forward, squeeze your butt, and keep your knees slightly bent, but tight this way. So this is the resting position, and it's like a boxer. So here, you're going to round your shoulders over and set the weight on your hips. The kettlebell jerk. You want to be able to do these for up to 10 minutes. So this is your resting position here. You want to relax your shoulders, wrap your hands over. If you clasp your hands together, it's less tension on your chest and your shoulders. For women, a little more difficult. You really want to make sure you get the weight right up over your hips. When you jerk it, catch it before you stand up. Catch and then back up. It's much easier than doing just a push press, which is mostly shoulders. Demonstrate it one more time. Great cardio workout. Double kettlebell jerk.